When you're looking to get answers on your data or generate new content, Ask AI is here to help you. Whether you need to extract insights, build classifications, or create specific formatted outputs, this node got it all covered. Define a prompt that will be run for each row of your data. In this example, we want to extract all company names from news articles. Select the analyzed columns in the context columns. You can also define a pre-prompt, for example, to specify the wished output format. Adjust the model parameters to get more creative or more classic results by altering either temperature or top P. Run your data flow and voila! Your data is ready for further transformations and visualizations.